negligence of the government authorities like Factories and Boilers, Labor and Employment, Industries Department on the gross violations by the industrial units, which have resulted in endangering the lives of the workers and employees, as a safety standard are compromised by several industrial units. The death of 2 workers at Sipla in Verna Industrial Estate is the living example of the carelessness by the industrial units. The government needs to immediately conduct an inquiry of the fatal accident at Verna and also take proactive steps to ensure that the safety standards are strictly adhered by all industrial units. The workers got suffocated, entered the crusher machine, elevator in the factory premise. Same because the safety of Zuari Agro, their plants of urea, DAP, NPK plants are all unsafe. Because this was mentioned in the morning. This is a very serious issue. Kunkole same jata, Verna, most of the industrialists said to get Jay Mantri ke Muni said Mukar hoita and Hatla my paisa this you create an inquiry.
Speaker sir, Siplan जो incident झाला पहिनी त्याची हांवें डिटेलान इन्क्वायरी फॅक्टरीज एंड बॉयलर्स लेबर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज आनी पुलीस हे डिपार्टमेंट करता अशे इन्सिडंट्स परत जावचे न्ही हाजी प्रिकॉशन्स जी आसा पळय न्ही आमच्या सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन घेतली आमकां सेफ्टी फर्स्ट त्या खातीर आनी जो इन्सिडंट जाला जे 2 भुरगे ते खंयचे आसूनी हांगा काम करताले त्यांच्या फॅमिलीच्या प्रती हांव दुख्ख व्यक्त करता आनी तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन्स जे मॅक्झिमम कितें कॉम्पेन्सेशनूय मेळपाक जाय त्या कंपनी कडल्यान आनी बाकी इन्शुरन्स ते मेळपा खातीर आमच्या सरकारा कडल्यान लेबर डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान
they are on the rise. If you look at industrial, I had pointed out during
अशा पद्दतीचे खंयसर हांव सगळ्या म्हणजे
जुवारीचे चेक कर
फॅक्टरीज आनी बॉयलर्स सगळ्यांक हांव चेक करपाक
विजय सरदेसाय.